One of the most common oral cavity CA is CA tongue. CA tongue is actually very common and usually appears on the lateral side of the tongue, either the anterior one third or posterior one third. Symptoms usually include ulcer that is not healing, or a mass that is progressively increasing in size to the extent that patients are not able to chew their food comfortably. The causes of this disease are very diverse: smoking, tobacco chewing. Sometimes it can result from precancerous lesions like leukoplakia. So what are the management? Management of these cancers are mainly surgery if it is a very early stage. So what they do is they excise the tumor, and then depending on the histopathology report, whether there are high risk features such as positive margin or there is a vascular invasion, you can do an adjuvant treatment. The adjuvant treatment here mainly is radiotherapy. For very advanced CA tongue, the treatment is usually palliative in nature. Here we don't do surgery, we do an upfront chemotherapy plus radiotherapy.